Hello friends, my name is Shashank and welcome back to my channel Corporate Guy. And today in this video I'm going to give you a very powerful tool to create presentation in just one click. And with this tool you can create presentation from the scratch. You can use your own content. You can use websites or links to give the content to the AI, and then it will generate presentations which you can see right on your screen. And you can even download those presentations and share with your friends and maybe use for your work or a personal usage, right? So this is one of the presentation which I generated, but I used three different AI tools to generate this presentation, which is very content specific or subject specific. And I'll just show you how you can do that as well, right? So let's just move on to the my browser, and then I'll show you. So first of all, I used one of my favorite tool, which is the Notebook LM. So in this tool I generated a content, and if you know how to use a Google Notebook LM to generate content, you can just watch this another video. You can find the link on the top of the screen, and this is where I took the different web browser links on topic of ISO 31000, which is my subject specific, and then I added those links, and it generated for me the study guide, right, which you can see here. So this is study guide which has been generated using the Notebook LM. And then I generated a briefing document, this one, and then I copied all that content, and then I went to ChatGPT, and then I copied all the content in the ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT to create an outline for my presentation. And then when I had the presentations outline with me, I copied that content from the ChatGPT, if you can see right here, right? And then I went to the Gamma AI, which is the tool which you can use to generate presentations. And then I went to the create new from AI. So this is the tool, and here you can paste your text just like I have done. So when you paste the content, I'll just copy and paste the complete content from here, right? And then we can use it. So let's copy and then paste it here. And then you have the option that what do you want to do. Do you want to generate a web page, document, or a social media post, or how do you want the a resolution to be? It is by default, or maybe you can make a traditional 16:1. So let's make a traditional 16:1. And then you have the content which you want this AI to be using in the presentation. So this is the content I have, and then you can delete all the unwanted text which you don't want in your presentation. Once you have ready the content, and then you can just simply go and generate the presentation, right? So let's say preserve the exact text if you want to do that, or if you want to generate an outline from the content if you don't have the outline already, or maybe if you want to summarize a long document or a text into a presentation. So that all that you can do from here. So let's just click on that, and we will preserve that exact text which I want to be added in the presentation. So let's go to the prompt editor. And then you will have the few other options like choosing a theme, or maybe a font size, or a font color, or a font type, right? So this is a free version which I'm using, right? If you want to go into a professional version, you may try to buy the professional version, and then based on that you can just simply go on to generate, and it will generate. And maybe you can edit cards, that how many slides you want to add. So by default on a free version you have a limitation of 10 slides which you can add, right? So if you want to make it condensed, maybe shorten the content, so you can do all these things from here. You can choose a different theme, different visuals. If you want to generate images for the presentation, you can select images and the style which you want to do. Or maybe if you want to generate an image, you can give your what you call the text to generate an image. So all these options are here. So once you click on the generate, it will generate a presentation. It will take some time, a few minutes, and then you will have the presentation ready. So I have already generated this presentation, so I'm doing this again for you to show you how it works. And by in just one click it has started generating the presentation for me, and as you can see, it's happening live on the screen, very fast, very quick, without wasting much time. It will just simply generate a presentation, which then you can have a few options. You can even keep it in the tool itself, and then you can use a link to which you can share with other people, so that they can also use the link and view that presentation. Or maybe you want to just simply download it, or maybe you just simply simply want to present, you can just simply go to the present and it will go into the presentation mode. So these are the different options which are available with the Gamma AI to generate your presentation. So let's give it some time to finish all the slides. So one more slide to go, because we only have the limitation of 10 slides, right? So all the 10 slides are ready. So let's go into the presentation mode and then we'll see how it looks like, right? So this is the presentation. You can use the keyboard, left and right navigation keys to move between the slides. So this is the presentation which has been generated with just one click under few seconds. So let's exit it, and then we'll go back to the other options where you have to design, maybe add some things like images, or maybe you want to change the layout for any of the slides, right? If you want to add some diagrams, charts, like, or videos or media, or maybe some, if you want to embed some applications or web pages in the presentation. So all these options are available with you right here. So I'll just leave it with you to explore these options if you're really interested. And then you have the option, if you go to this button, you have the option to export that presentation, and it will be downloaded into the PPT form, and then you can use it and share it with other people, right? So few things which you have to keep in mind is that once you start using the AI, you get some 400 credits as a free in a free version, and every single presentation consumes 40 points or credits. And then you can see, if you refer a friend or maybe invite a teammate, you might get a few more credits, like 200 plus credits if you refer a friend and they also join the Gamma AI, right? And if you invite a team member from your workspace, you also get another 200 credits, right? So you have these options to increase your credit limit, right? So this is what it is. And if you're really interested, you can try out this option and maybe share with your friends to get more what you call the credits, right? So I hope that this video would really help you to start exploring this option to generate presentations. And then maybe if you have the when you have the presentation ready, you can go back to the presentation and you can add some animations, right, in the text, whatever you have in your slides, right? So that will also enhance the overall look and feel of your presentation. So that's it for today's video, and I hope this will really help you to work on your presentation. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. So see you with another topic in the next video.